Next topic I am discussing about assignment operator in Java. We will see what is assignment operator and we will see the examples of assignment operators in Java. What is assignment operators? Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. These are the assignment operators in Java. This is equal to this is an example of equal to operator. Int a is equal to 10. The use of equal to operator is we can assign the values from the right hand side to left right side operands to the left side operand. This is the example. C is equal to a plus b. This addition result is assigning to C operand. This is the example of equal to assignment operator. Next one is add and assignment operator. It adds the right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. This is the example. B plus equal to A. This will be like this. B is equal to B plus A. Next one is subtract and assignment operator. It subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. This is the example. B minus equal to A. B is equal to, that will be like this. B is equal to B minus A. Next one is multiply and assignment operator. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. B multiplication equal to A. That will be B is equal to B multiplication A. Like that it will come. Next one is divide and assignment operator. Divide and assignment operator, it divides the left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. This will be like this. B divided divide by equal to A will be B is equal to B by A. Next one is modulus and assignment operator. It takes modulus using the two operands and assign the result to the left operand. This will be like this. B modulus equal to A is equal to will be B is equal to B modulus of A. That's it about assignment operators in Java. Next topic I am discussing about unary operators in Java. We will see what is unary operators and examples of unary operators. What is unary operators? Unary operators is used to increasing or decreasing the value of an operand. Decrement operator decreases a value and increment operator increases a value. These unary operators need only one operand to perform any operations like increment or decrement. And this unary operators has two forms. One is postfix and another one is prefix. Next we will see how these operations are performing with unary operators. With example, here I declared S is equal to A plus plus. This one stores the this one stores the value of A in S, then it will increment plus 1. We'll see how it will be with example. Here I am declaring int a is equal to value is equal to 10. I am assigning. Next I am declaring int s is equal to a plus plus. Here what will be the value of s and what will be the value of a? What this will be? First this will store the value of a, then in s, and then it will increments. S is equal to a plus plus. What will be the output, or what will be the answer? What is the output of a and s? Here s is equal to 10 will come, because first this will store the value of a. So the value of a is 10, so 10. Then value of, what is the value of a? Value of a will be 11. This is the example of s is equal to a plus plus. Next one is s is equal to a minus minus. This will stores the value of a in s, then this will decrements by 1. Next we will see the example of this one. Int a is equal to 10, again I am declaring, and int s is equal to a minus minus. What will be the value of s is equal to a minus minus? Here the value of a is equal to 10, comma, the value of s is equal to 9 will come. First that will assign, then that will decrements. Next one, s is equal to plus plus a. This will increments, then stores the new value of a in s. Let's see how it will be. Again I am declaring int s equal to 10, int s is equal to plus plus a. So first this will increment. So value of s equal to 11. Next that will assign. So value of s is equal to again 11 will come. Next s is equal to minus minus a. This decrements a, then stores the new value of a in s. This also same, int a is equal to 10 I am assigning, then s is equal to minus minus a. What will be the value of a is equal to 9 will come, and s is equal to 9 will come. That's the table.